கட்டுப்பாட்டு விமானம் AEWNC மற்றும் 2 MiG-29 போர் ரக விமானம் உங்கள் முன்னால்.
Next in sequence are the IL-78 MKI along with 2 Mirage 2000 flying in the Natraj formation, depicting air-to-air refueling coming in from the lighthouse side. On to your right, the formation shall depict the Mirage 2000s in pre-contact position during the process of taking the fuel from the mother IL-78 MKI aircraft. The captain of IL-78 is Wing Commander Dharmendra Sunda. Squadron leader Mahendra is the co-pilot, and Wing Commander Panda along with Wing Commander Tripathi are the navigators. Along with Mirage 2000s being led by Wing Commander Himanshu Gupta to his left and Squadron leader Satyendra Kumar towards his right.
அடுத்த வரிசையில் IL-78 MKI மற்றும் 2 Mirage 2000